This is one of those recipes that's been showing up on holiday tables for generations, and once you taste it, you'll understand exactly why it never goes away. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and Cake Mix Recipes, where every recipe is tested in my real family kitchen and only makes the cut when it's genuinely earned it. Today, we're making cherry fluff salad, and I promise this one is worth keeping. I've got the full printable recipe linked in the video description below so you can follow along. And stick around to the end because I've got my best tip for keeping this fluff from getting watery, and it makes all the difference. All right, so for our cherry fluff salad, the ingredient list is pretty short, and most everything here, yeah, pretty much everything except for the whipped topping comes from the pantry. So these are staples you can keep on hand. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a package of instant vanilla pudding mix. Let me get that in there. And then to that, we're going to add an entire can of crushed pineapple, juice and all. This is going to be our liquid for this recipe. So we'll get that in there. And I'm going to give this a stir to combine that pudding mix with the pineapple and just start hydrating the pudding. It's a classic for sure. Alrighty, that is pretty mixed. To this mixture, we are going to add some thawed whipped topping. So the entire container goes in, and this is the fluff part of our cherry fluff. And then I just gently fold that in. We don't want to deflate it. Looking good. So to this, we're going to start adding even more texture. So here I have a can of cherry pie filling. Yum, yum, yum. So in that goes. And then to that, we are also going to add in some mini marshmallows. So you guys know me, always pick the wrong size bowl. I should have chosen a bigger one. But this is how I roll. All right, not completely mixed up yet, but to this I'm going to add some shredded coconut. And last but not least, some chopped walnuts. All right, we are really, really full here. Do you think I can do it? We have to be super careful. All right, so this is looking good. We are going to cover this up. I'm going to put it in the fridge, and we're going to let it hydrate in the fridge. So that pineapple juice is going to get into the pudding mixture, make it all come together. It's going to hydrate the marshmallows so they get this wonderful soft texture. Guys, this is going to be perfect. Okay, just look at that pretty pink color against the white. This is so pretty on a holiday table, and you saw it comes together in under 10 minutes of actual work. So before I dig in, here's what I want you to remember. Make sure you chill this for at least 2 hours so the pudding and the marshmallows have time to absorb the liquid, because this is what keeps it from getting watery. And remember, fold, don't stir. Every time you fold, you're keeping that fluffiness intact. Now, this fluff will hold up beautifully in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, which makes it a perfect make-ahead dish for holidays and potlucks. So I'm going in for a bite because I can't wait another minute. This is like childhood in a bowl. Oh yeah. With the crunch from the walnut, that little bit of sweetness from the coconut. You get that sweet creamy base, the juicy cherries, the crunch from the nuts, and then the marshmallows just make it feel like a holiday. This is exactly what I remember from growing up. This is definitely a keeper. The full printable recipe is linked in the description. I made it super easy for you. And if you loved this, you have to try my orange fluff. It gets rave reviews, and it's right here. I'll see you there.